friends, welcome to Havishya ghattamaneni. Today we are going to make pizza. First we have to take a pan and apply butter. Next let us take a pizza base and apply some pizza sauce. Let's take capsicum pieces and apply it to the pizza. And also some tomatoes, a little bit of onion. Let's spread sweet corn around the base. Let us add cheese around the base. Let us add 1 spoon oregano. One spoon red chili flakes around the base. Without gaps, let's take a bowl and cover the pizza. Cook for 10 minutes in sim. Okay, our pizza is ready. So let's take the pizza and keep it in another plate. Let's add some sauce. Let's cut our pizza. We can even cut it in 4 pieces or 6 pieces. It's our wish. Let's try the taste of the pizza. Wow, yummy! You can also try it in home, guys.